ka. Please watch us. Like, share, and subscribe. Daddy got this from Factech. Thank you, Factech.
Okay. Here we go. Where we at? Don't move. Oh, I'm not moving.
We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. What's that, Daddy? Dad, anong tawag dito? Posts. That's for post, Kiona. Watching TV while the Daddy and Kiona is building the Baggebo. What's that little girl? That's the vault. Look, oh, Kiona's holding the vault, guys. Gonna give it to Dad. Kiona, you're going to give it to Daddy. Oh. What's the sound? Kiona, what's the sound?
Cool, can I have it?
Give Daddy the... Oh no, she's opening it. You're opening it with your mouth. It's not
Yeah,
good.
can I have it, Kiora?
Oh, give Daddy na. Give Daddy. Wow. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, Kuya, you're gonna help too? You're not gonna help?
33.
Daddy, si Kiona, si Kiona is really so serious about learning it. Are you gonna be an engineer someday, Kiona? Or an architect? Or maybe a designer? You want? Oh, are you going, Kiona? Oh, no. No, Daddy, oh, she's getting the cutter. She got the cutter. It's dangerous, Kiona.
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no! Kiona, what you doing, Kiona? No, don't eat that. Okay. So Kiona put it all in the back. The vault. You're really helping Dad, Kiona. Thank you, Kiona. Oh, don't get na. Don't get, baby. Don't eat it, ha? It's not food. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, Daddy's starting to build. Daddy is starting to build it.
94.
Oh, no, 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 no. Don't eat.
You like to assemble things?
Daddy is on the second layer now. Ops, ops. No. Oh, bulaga. Peekaboo, Daddy. I'm gonna help you, Daddy. I'm gonna help you, Dad.
Yes.
There. At tinuturo niya. Tinuturo niya din, Daddy. Where's the next one, Kiona? Where? Oh. Hi.
I'm making a face. I'm still making a face.
You're making a face. Kiona, you play with Kuya first. Kiona. Hi, Daddy. Wow. Say hi. Kiona, hi. Hi, Kiona.
Not this one, the other ones.
This one.
Okay, thank you.
Don't eat it, okay? It's not food.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, what's the difference?
What is this?
Comparison right there. Look. Right there.
Okay. And then,
Right there.
that's the design.
Yes.
Kuya.
Design.
Okay. And then,
Look right there. It has a rectangle on the behind there. There's a rectangle.
okay. What are we going to do, Kuya?
We're gonna
We're gonna build that.
yes.
How
And that right there
Fiona,
is
can you
this one
move?
right there. Look at
Can you
that.
move over there?
Okay, what's that?
It's a nail.
Nail or ball? Ball.
Boat.
That's a bolt.
Boat.
Okay.
What kind of nail is that from the hammer?
We're gonna use a hammer? No, we're just gonna screw it.
Screw it. Okay. And that one right there is right there. Look.
Okay, what's that?
This one to lock it.
Kiona, excuse me, Kiona.
Oh no,
And
Kiona.
then, mommy,
Yes?
direction of this right there.
Oh, so that's the direction?
Yes.
Okay.
Look right there, oh.
Okay, what do you see?
I see a something right there.
You're gonna follow it?
Yes. from number 2 and X, you right there, when you fix it like that. And don't do that like that, this one. Don't do that like
Fiona,
that.
it will be
Oh
broken.
yeah, don't do that. It's an X.
Fiona, it will be broken before we assemble it. Fiona.
Fiona, it will be broken.
Oh, come to mommy first, Kiona.
This one prepares to connect right there.
Oh,
Yeah, this one, look. It's the same. The same now, right there. And that one connects right there. Because it's the same. And this one is,
and that one is what?
look at this. That's what the emergency does right there on the back. Look,
Oh, what's that?
it's an emergency.
Emergency? In case of emergency?
Yes.
Okay, there's an instruction in case of emergency.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Because of the animal.
What?
It can climb up the animal.
Oh.
Because it walked right there.
What does it says?
Oh, Kiona! Be careful, be careful. Kiona, you're full. Kiona! Kiona!
Oh, Kiona, let's go first. Kiona! Daddy not yet finished because you're there. Hi, say hi. Oh. Oh no. Careful, huh? What you doing there, Kiona? Say hi, guys. Yay!
Dad,
You're happy?
Kiona, what are you doing right there? What are you doing? I'm here from you. Oopie.
Careful. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, Kiona, you might get,
Oh.
you almost get hurt.
You bump?
Almost.
You bump on it?
Yes.
Be careful.
Mommy,
Yes.
Kiona almost get hurt.
Yeah.
Almost.
Oh, careful, Kiona. Oh my God, come here. Come here.
I got me some puppy. Mama, si Kiona ka. Kiona.
You like it?
Yes.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for helping me assemble it. Kuya,
What?
thank you for helping me assemble it.
Welcome. Each side of this one is so that one is so bigger than me.
Yeah, it's taller than you.
Let's have sides right there. Look.
Okay.
How about that paper and the big one? How about this? What size of the paper and this one? What size?
Small.
And big. And this one,
It's big.
it's big. Good job. Good job, Daddy.
Okay.
Kuya,
Thank you,
you
Captain.
want to say something? Kuya, Kuya Kion, what would you like to say? To the one who gave us this one? What? Say thank you, FabTech.
Thank you, found it, Mommy.
Wow, that's so cool. That's the finished product. Yay!
Ganda ng ngiti ni Kiona.
Say thank you, FabTech. Hi, Kion. Wow, that's so cool. What will you put in there? What will you put in there, Kuya? You want to put your toys there? No, it's not for toys. It's a bookshelf. I think we're going to put some plants in there and books. Yay! You like it, Kiona? You like it? Wow!
Look, look.
Oh, what's that?
It's a toy. It's a
Toy
toy.
there.
It's a toy there.
Are you happy, Kiona?
Yes.
What's that?
It's sand bucket with dinosaur.
Bucket with dinosaurs? Why?
We're we're putting that on the so we're gonna switch when we're gonna put when we're gonna switch.
Ah, you're gonna arrange it on the shelves?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're
You can do
gonna
it on your own, Kuya.
Why?
You're gonna
Why
do it
is
on your own?
the baby T-Rex gonna sleep again?
Where?
The T-Rex.
Okay.
No, that one, the small one.
Kuya?
Almost done.
Almost done? What did you do?
I
Wow.
just switch.
How you make it your shelf for your dino collection?
Yes.
Wow, you do it on your own?
Yes.
Wow, okay.
And then we've got this fella who's a snake. He looks really
We got a dump truck. One, the big one, that bucket. And we got a puppet and a mango, and then we made something.
What will you say to FabTech because you have a shelf like that?
Thank you for that.